This is a 2011 Forest River Sunseeker. It's a C-Class motorhome. It's 25 feet long. It has one slide out, and it only has 16,000 miles. Cloth upholstered captain's chairs, in-dash CD player, rear view monitor, Toshiba LCD TV in front, convertible dinette, cloth upholstered chair, double sink in the kitchen, plenty of storage space, Magic Chef microwave, oven with 3 burners, 2-door Dometic refrigerator freezer, bed in the rear, plenty of storage, sink and vanity, shower with glass surround and a skylight, porcelain toilet,